apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for frog. G for goat. H for hen. I for ink. J for jump. K for kangaroo. L for light. M for mango. N for nail. O for owl. P for plane. Q for quill. R for rat. S for sun. T for tree. U for unicorn. V for violin. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra.